So I just received my package from Island Shippers. They delivered to me 2 boxes actually, and I just wanted to share that the experience, my first experience actually with them, was a very good one, because when I ordered my item, not only was it delivered to me safely, when it got to the location in Miami, I got a phone call to tell me that my box was actually damaged and that they would replace it for me to ensure that my package came to Jamaica safe and sound. The other thing that I was impressed with is that I didn't have to try to find their location. I didn't have to meet them anywhere. They actually delivered to me to my home. So that was very impressive as well. Also, the pricing is fairly reasonable based on the content as well as the weight of the package that I ordered. For what I paid, it was fairly reasonable. Also, I wanted to share with you on my box from Island Shippers, you will see here a little note that says, "Thank you for supporting our small business." It's pretty cool. So if you are like me, a regular online shopper who needs someone to carry your packages to Jamaica safe and sound in a timely manner, I would actually suggest that you try them out. The name is Island Shippers.
No, I'm not lie. Robert and Island Shippers, big up on yourself. When you come out, friend, when you come through, when you efficient, when you fast, and when you reliable. I'm not gonna be never skeptic at first, but you can't hold a big up. Yeah, man, when you come out buzzing with a capital zing.